to the sea for a getaway. Car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love routine, you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights.
Macam mana kesan abang selama di Aceh dengan Cikgu Wan Aceh Pesona Tour?
Alhamdulillah dah selama 4 hari 3 malam kami di sini. Kami pergi melawat sekitar Aceh, di masjid tidak kesan daripada tsunami. Jadi kami pergi ke Pulau Sambang buat snorkeling untuk sana 1 malam dan balik kembali ke sini melawat tempat menarik dan shopping ke. Alhamdulillah makan sedap, pemandangan juga menarik, menyenangkan dan tempat tinggal pun biasa. Terima kasih banyak kepada Cik Wan mengiringi kami selama 4 hari 3 malam di sini. Terima kasih.
Okay. Jadi kakak, macam mana kakak nak ada sikit selama perkhidmatan kami selama di Aceh ni, apa ada yang tak berkesan hati ke, atau ada yang tak semua sempat kami bawa hantarkan, mungkin ada tempat lawatan yang tak kami bawa. Macam mana perasaan nama kakak selama di Aceh ni bersama kami Aceh Pesona?
Selama ni okey lah, alhamdulillah. Semoga lancar dan tempat menarik juga dibawa. Anak-anak pun semua happy. Okay, masa pun fleksibel, tak ada kejar-kejar. Semua tu bagus lah. Rasa sayang nak tinggalkan Aceh.
Okeylah, bila memang kakak berkenan, boleh sampaikanlah kepada jiran-jiran atau siapa-siapa teman-teman yang mahu datang di Aceh kan. Wah, Aceh selesa lah untuk kita 5 kampung sedap boleh apa kan. Okey, terima kasih banyak dah mau berkenan daripada Cik Wan Aceh Pesona Tour. Semoga kakak sampai sana sihat semua dan berrezeki boleh datang lagi.